ब्रेक के बाद आप सभी का स्वागत है। चलिए खबर पुडुचेरी से लेते हैं। पुडुचेरी में राजनीतिक संकट लगातार गहराता जा रहा है। फ्लोर टेस्ट से ठीक पहले रविवार को कांग्रेस और उसके सहयोगी दल डीएमके के एक विधायक ने इस्तीफा दे दिया। सत्ताधारी दल पहले ही सदन में बहुमत खो चुका है। बीती रात फ्लोर टेस्ट से पहले कांग्रेस ने सीएम वी नारायणसामी के आवास पर उनकी मौजूदगी में रणनीति बनाने के लिए एक आपातकालीन बैठक भी बुलाई। मुख्यमंत्री नारायणसामी ने कहा कि वो फ्लोर पर अपनी रणनीति का खुलासा करेंगे। इन दो विधायकों के इस्तीफे के बाद विधानसभा में कांग्रेस सरकार बची हुई कुल 26 सीटों में से 11 के आंकड़े पर पहुंच गई है।
We met and discussed. Honorable Deputy Speaker was also there. We discussed about the strategy to be adopted by our alliance party in the assembly, legislative assembly. Several suggestions have been given. We have decided that we will disclose our strategy in the floor of the house at the time when the assembly commences.
और इस पर और ज्यादा जानकारी देने के लिए हमारे सहयोगी मुगलन हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, जो मुख्यमंत्री के निवास स्थान से हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं। मुगलन, प्लीज गिव अस मोर पर्सपेक्टिव।
Definitely, the political drama which unfolding in Pondicherry for last 2 months will see a logical conclusion today, as after the Lieutenant Governor ordering for a floor test and asking the Congress government to prove its majority. And yesterday, we saw 2 MLAs, 1 Congress MLA and 1 DMK MLA tendering the resignation, that bringing the number of Congress DMK alliance to 12 further down. And today, the assembly session will start by 10 a.m. Then we have to wait and watch what Congress really decides to do with the floor of the house, because there's by 9 a.m. is what we are being told. There will be another meeting with the Congress MLAs at the assembly, and after that, the Congress MLAs and the DMK MLAs will be going to the floor of the house. Then they will announce their strategy, is what we are being told by the Chief Minister. But in last week, we have seen Chief Minister Narayanasamy was very confident to prove the majority, but later on we have seen there is a change in the strategy adopted by them. They were questioning on the voting rights that has been given to the nominated MLAs. Even in the circular that was sent from the Raj Niwas, it stated the 3 nominated MLAs as BJP MLAs, and then we saw the Chief Minister writing a letter to the Lieutenant Governor. So today there are a few possibilities in front of the Chief Minister. We have to wait and watch what Congress really decides today. We can expect the Chief Minister to tender the resignation before taking the floor test, or he might take the floor test and then try to prove his majority. Or more importantly, the last option will be the speaker. The role of speaker today will be very crucial, because inside the floor of the assembly, it is the speaker. His words is the mighty. So we have to wait and watch whether speaker will allow the nominated MLAs to vote or not. If the speaker chooses not to allow the nominated MLAs to vote, the number of Congress, the ruling and the opposition will come down to 11, and then the speaker will be in a position to vote, to cast his vote. So there will be a tiebreaker. We have to wait and watch whether the speaker will be opting for this option. So we have to today, by after 10 o'clock, we will get to know clarity on what really Congress will decide when it comes to floor test. But as far as now, what we are hearing is that the Chief Minister will leave his residence by 8:30 a.m. and by 9 o'clock he holds a meeting with the Congress MLAs at the assembly. Then they will be finalizing the strategy. Then they will go to the floor of the house. Then they will announce what the strategy they are going to.
Right.
They're going to make inside the floor of the room. You have to wait for a little further.
बिल्कुल मुगलन, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।